Hey everyone, David Horowitz from Retrium here. The hardest part of a retrospective to me is actually not in the retrospective itself. It comes after the retro's over, when you and your team are trying to actually follow through and change. So today I want to present to you a very simple 3-step plan to help you and your teams change, follow through on your action items, and improve after the retro is over. Here's step 1. It sounds simple, but make sure you pick the right action item. We're so good in retrospectives of giving our teams a chance to brainstorm widely what the topics of conversation might be. But once we identify a particular topic, we go right to, here's the solution. Instead, we should give our teams a chance to brainstorm again to come up with all the possible solutions to that problem before committing on the one we will actually work on in the upcoming iteration. This is called double diamond thinking, and it's really critical to ensuring that your team has better odds of improving after the retro is over. So that's step 1, make sure you pick the right action item. Step 2 is to write down your action items in the right way. Once you've identified the action item you're going to work on, don't just write it down however you feel like. Instead, follow some advice out there, like write it down in a SMART way. If you haven't heard of SMART, you can search on Google or look at our Retrospectives Academy. It's an acronym that helps make sure you're writing it down in a timely way, in a way that someone is actually responsible for the action item. There's a lot of different acronyms out there. SMART is just one. You could pick CLEAR or PACT. There's many of them out there. It almost doesn't matter which one you pick, but pick one to make sure you write it down the right way. And third, once the retrospective is over, discuss your progress frequently. And don't just do this verbally, hey, how's it going today at the daily check-in or stand-up? Instead, try to visualize your progress. Put a chart up somewhere in your team room where every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, throughout your sprint, you put a little check mark. Did we or did we not make progress towards this action item during this sprint? If you follow those 3 steps, picking the right action item, writing it down in the right way, and discussing it frequently with your team, you're more likely to actually change after the retro is over. Hey, if this video is helpful, please share with your colleagues and friends and comment below. We'd love to get your feedback and help spread the word on how to run better retros.